Hi, I'm Ken with Firegear Outdoors. Today, we're going to go over the features of the Firegear match throw system that we like to call MT, as well as an overview of the installation of that system in an SRW block enclosure. In this video, we will utilize several different products that Firegear offers, including the burner system, our stainless steel flex frame, a set of paver vents, and our Paver Kit control panel. Let's get started by going over what's in the box. So here we have Firegear's Paver Vent Kit, available in a 4-inch and a 6-inch. Let's do an inventory of the box. What you'll find is the installation instructions, the 3-piece vent kit, our lentils, and a hardware bag that includes the screws and spacers to assemble it. So the Firegear Paver Vents were designed to give you 18 square inches of cross ventilation. So here we have Firegear's flex frame. Let's do an inventory of the box. What you're going to find is the installation instructions and our 304 stainless steel flex frame kit. Our flex frame kit was designed to support one of our pans or discs in your fire feature for easy service and maintenance. So here we have Firegear's match throw system, MT, which stands for match throw. Let's do an inventory of the box. What you should find in your box is the burner system with our spur burner attached to it, along with a hardware package that includes the installation manual, our stainless steel non-whistling flex line, our key valve, the key, our decorative flange for the key valve, the brass natural gas orifice, along with the fittings that attach from the spur burner to the flex and from the flex to our key valve. Now, how does that system work? Basically, match throw is that. You're installing a pan that has a burner to it. You're using a long butane lighter or a long fireplace match. You're holding that above the media that fills the pan and slowly turning the key on to ignite it. Now let's install it into your fire pit. Let's install our brass orifice fitting onto the bottom of the burner. Second, let's install the fitting onto the bottom of our orifice. Next, let's install our non-whistle flex line to that fitting. Next, let's install the fittings onto your key valve. Next, install your inlet gas line. Install your inlet gas line onto your key valve. Then, install your non-whistle flex line from your burner system onto the fitting that's screwed into your key valve. Install the key valve onto the side of your decorative fire feature. At this point, now you can lower your burner system down onto your flex frame. So here we have Firegear's LP conversion kit. Let's do an inventory of the box. What you'll find is the installation instructions, the large brass LP orifice, along with the stainless steel extension fittings to attach to the bottom of your burner. Firegear offers a variety of different media to personalize your fire feature. We like to call it jewelry. We offer lava rock, lava stones, broken glass, ceramic, and steel log sets. Now it's time to test fire your match throw burner system. You'll need either a long butane lighter or a long fireplace match. First, install the key into your key valve. Second, put your lit lighter or match above the arm of the burner. Slowly turn your key to the on position, ensuring that your fire pit burner system lights. Thanks for joining us today here at Firegear Outdoors. If you have any additional questions or need some technical support, again, please don't hesitate to contact us at 800-966-8126. Or check us out at firegearoutdoors.com.